Hey, Jane.
Hey, John. Hey, John.
Yeah?
You know you're gonna have a brain aneurysm if you hold it in like that.
Holding what?
Your sneeze. You'll blow a blood vessel in your brain and die. You'll die like that. It happened to my uncle last week.
Hmm.
That's a damn shame.
Glad you're here, Dan.
Yeah.
Oh, and let me put this one handle on it. Let me put the handle there. Okay. Alright. Shall we touch? Yeah. Alright.
Okay,
Shall
here
we?
go.
1, 2, 3. Ah! Holy man! We need a raise.
Yeah.
Oh, Lee. Oh no. You too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This wasn't in my job description.
Mine neither.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Hey man, thanks for the help.
Oh yeah, man. That was a heavy one. Oh, bless you.
Found a job in a great big office, and I really love this place. I got my very own Scotch-tape dispenser, and I got a private parking space. Ha! And I got a coffee mug with my name right on it, in big bold letters, so everyone knows it's mine. Don't even touch it, cause it doesn't belong to you. And I'm watching you, so don't get funny. I'm climbing up off the corporate ladder. Watch out, it's dog eat dog.
How many did you have last month?
Oh, 2.
I had 4. You got more women on your floor, don't you?
Yeah.
I think they weigh less. This guy about gave me a hernia, I swear. I don't think they pay us enough.
I'm glad I was here to help you.
Yeah. Hey, you mind if maybe we trade floors for a little while, you
You
know?
know? I don't